Hindi bagay sa'yo maging malungkot.
Maximo, aasarin mo lang ba ako? Dahil kung aasarin mo ako, sobrang bad timing ka talaga. Tsaka bakit ba lagi ako yung pinagtitripan mo, ha?
Hindi ba obvious?
Ikaw, crush mo ako, no? Oh my gosh, sabi ko na nga, be.
That's better. Hindi pwede maging malungkot ang pinakamagandang babae dito sa prom. So, let's dance?
Sige na nga. Hoy, di kita crush, ha?
Sus! Bibigay ka rin, sooner or later. Miss Maddie!
Enzo, listen. I'm sorry I misled you. And I'm really sorry that this had to happen. I think it's best that we don't see each other anymore.
Iiwan niyo na ako?
Pupunta akong Berkeley to finish my master's degree. Look, Enzo, you're a sweet boy, pero wala talagang pwedeng mangyari between us. I'm too young to be a cougar, no?
Miss ko po kayo.
Someday, may kilala mo rin siya. Yung girl na para talaga sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang tandaan that I believe in you. Your mom and me. We both know that you can do great things. Kailangan mo lang maniwala sa sarili mo at sa abilidad mo. No one else can push you to do your best except yourself. Good luck, Enzo. I'm sure you'll be someone else's hero.
They find out? Oh my gosh.
Hindi na siya darating. Okay lang yan. George!
Girls, excuse me lang, ha?
George, sandali lang! George! Pwede pa natin balik lahat sa dati. Kung paano tayo noon.
Paano? May Chloe ka na, di ba?
Nagkamali ako, George. Akala ko siya na. Akala ko siya na yung ideal girl para sa akin. Ang tanga-tanga ko. Ang bulag-bulag ko.
Oo. Tama ka. Bulag ka na nga, tanga ka pa.
Natatandaan mo yung ginawang kanta? Pinagmamahal na ba sa'yo? Kung wala'y ako na lang. Lahat ibibigay sa'yo nang walang alinlangan. Sana'y bigyan naman ng pansin ang puso kong ito. Kaya tanong ko lang kung may nagmamahal na ba? Sana'y ako na lang. Yun yung ginawa kanta para sa babaeng mahal ko. Hindi para kay Chloe. Para sa'yo, Georgina. Ikaw ang sinasabi ko. Ikaw lang. Wala nang iba. Aray ko!
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Narunto ka ba?
Joey? Have you seen Chloe?
She's there.
Chloe? Uy, Jess! Kuya mo? Kanina, kausap nila Ashley.
Thank you.
Sige.
Ashley, si Christian.
Wala na siya eh.
Baka umuwi na.
Dumating ka.
Alam ko kasi naghihintay ka eh.
Wow.
Excuse me. This is a prom of Ridgeview, right?
Yeah.
Naku, na-late yata ako. I'm supposed to be singing here kasi... Do you know where's the backstage?
Samahan na kita.
You're my hero.
Kara! Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, ikaw yun, hindi si Jess.
Pero sabi mo si Supergirl.
Ikaw nga si Supergirl, di ba?
Kailan mo pa nalaman?
Naalala mo, iniwan mo yung laptop sa computer shop? Hindi nila mabuksan. Kasi may password.
Colossus?
ILY. Kara.
Anong sabi mo?
ILY.
SLTM.
FR.
What language is that? Is that even English?
Alam mo, diretso mo na kasi.
Mahal kita.
Ano?
Mahal kita, Kara! ILY.
ILY too.
Good evening, everyone.
We would like to welcome our guest tonight on behalf of the Student Council.
Please welcome Julie Ann.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. This love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let them say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart.
Alam mo, George, ikaw ngayon, sikat ka na dahil sa ASCOS. Ako, sumikat ako dahil sa ginawa ni Robin sa harap ng buong student body.
Oo nga, no. Ano na ako sa Dare? Ako na lang hindi popular.
Enzo, it's time to face your fear. Dali na, hawakan mo na! Sige na!
Seeing everyone in here with a happy face makes me smile too, it makes me forget to face the time when everyone would hate and appreciate. It wasn't easy, it wasn't a piece of cake. Through the hard working years I speculated, never felt this way before, I feel sedated. Now just gone, but I'm thankful for what you created. I'm very lucky cause it seems like we were fated. I said it once, I'll say it one more time. Lucky that I'm yours and I'm lucky that you're mine. I'll do whatever, even a mountain to climb. I know that in time everything's gonna be fine.
Together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if
lahat kami winner sa aming care. And in the end, na-realize namin na growing up is not about being popular. It is discovering who you really are and striving to be the best that you could be.
Sing a song, bang on your way. Time to start your day. Kau na ang happy, the one and only. Ganado a lot today. Ito na pinakahintay natin. Tayo na, sama-sama tayo. Ito na pinakahintay natin. Tara na, Twin Academy. Hop on the train, enjoy the ride. Sarap talaga inside. What's study cross? Cross. Ang planning check. Check.